ShareFile for Clients is a mobile app designed specifically to meet the needs of clients. It serves as a secure and convenient client portal, enabling users to stay connected and productive while on the go. Whether it's collecting documents, obtaining signatures, or exchanging important information, clients can manage everything seamlessly, right from their mobile devices. When clients securely log in, they are immediately shown what matters: a clean dashboard with all pending actions. No clutter, no confusion, just a guided, intuitive experience. Let's look at how a client would upload a requested document. Document requests are marked with a blue icon. We open the request, tap to upload, and choose from taking a photo, picking from the gallery, picking from files, or scanning in real time. Scanning is where the app really shines. With auto capture, documents are detected and captured instantly. No buttons needed. Clients can crop, rotate, filter, and clean up stains or unwanted objects with just a few taps. Have more pages? Tap the plus icon to add them. When ready, tap Submit for review. No printing, no scanning, no back and forth. Just clean, secure, instant submissions. The same ease applies when responding to information requests via forms. Information requests show up in purple. Tap the request, fill in the fields, and hit Submit. Clients can complete and send back forms from anywhere. No need to switch devices or search through emails. Signing documents is just as seamless. Signature requests appear in green. After agreeing to the terms and e-sign consent, the app guides clients through the signature process. Tap Start Signing and then any of the boxes labeled Sign Here. Choose to type or draw your signature and submit. Once the signature is placed, the rest of the fields can be autofilled by simply clicking on them. Confirm with a quick email and the document is signed. A legally binding signature process, simple, fast, and fully mobile. Clients can also manage their profile on the go. From updating contact details to enabling two-step verification, clients can manage their profile and account settings directly within the app, putting them in control of their experience at all times. ShareFile for Clients mobile app helps transform the client experience. It helps reduce turnaround time on critical tasks, making processes smoother and more responsive.